So hey guys, Nothing just showed the hands-on video of the upcoming Nothing Phone 2. Not only that, now we can customize the glyph interface according to our mood. Just take a look. I know in this video we didn't get to see a lot of phone's design, but we did saw a sneak peek of what the upcoming phone 2 might look like. And most importantly, the new glyph composer is super cool. You can totally customize and mix Swedish House Mafia's unique sounds. Just tap the pads to create your own unique glyph ringtone with all sort of light and sound combos. I gotta say, this feature is amazing and really takes advantage of the glyph interface. We can't see all the design features of the new phone yet, but one thing we know for sure is that the glyph lights will be a big part of this phone again. The company's software team has added some sweet new tricks and features to them, but the company might mix things up a bit and move the glyph lights around on the back of the phone. Still, we don't know about the phone's full look yet, they have kept it top secret. However, I'm really looking forward to see a new and sleek design just like they did with the first phone. You can be certain that the Nothing phone's upcoming version will have more power than its original release. Nothing is all set to launch the Nothing Phone 2 on 11th of July. So what do you think about this Nothing Phone 2? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.